Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A number 1425 is divided into two parts in the ratio 9 to 6. So 9 by 6 is the ratio. Find the products of the numbers. So first of all we'll assume that the number is 9x and 7x and 6x. Why? Because the ratio is given as 9 by 6. So we have divided this 1425 in two parts, which is 9x and 6x. Now we can say that according to question we can write that this sum 9x and 6x, 9x plus 6x is given as 1425 because this is the number that we have divided. So from here we can get the value of x as 1425 divided by 15, which is equal to 95. Therefore x is 95. So x is 95, then we can get the numbers also. So the numbers here are 9x and 6x, which is equal to 9 multiplied by 95 and 6 multiplied by 95. So our number is 855 and 570. Now these are the number and we have to find the product of the numbers. Therefore we can say that the product of numbers are, let's multiply the numbers 855 and 570. So this is equal to this value. So 4,87,350 is our required answer.